Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. If 4a equals to 2b equals to c, what is the average? That is the arithmetic mean of a, b and c in terms of a. Okay, now let's consider the given equation over here. So that is the value of 4a, the value of 2b and the value of c. All of them are equal. So for example, if I assume the value of 4a is just 5, then what is the value of 2b? That is also 5. The value of c is also 5 because all of them are equal. But I am not sure what is the exact value of each of these three quantities. Okay, since I do not know the exact value, I assume the value of each of these three quantities is just k. So let me write the stuff over here. Let 4a equals to 2b equals to c equals to k. So that is, I assume the value of each of these three quantities is k. Since all of them are equal to k, we can equate each quantity to k separately. Then I'm getting 4a equals to k, then 2b equals to k, then c equals to k. Okay, now let's solve for a in this equation. For that, we have to divide both sides by 4. When I do so, I'm getting a equals to k over 4. So here to solve for b, I have to divide both sides by 2. When I do so, I'm getting b equals to k over 2. And this remains same, that is c equals to k. Okay, so our aim is to find the average of a, b and c in terms of a. So to get the average of the three values, I mean the three quantities a, b and c, what I have to do is I have to add them all and divide by the number of quantities, that is 3. So this gives the average of a, b and c. So we have to get this average in terms of a. Okay, now we know that a equals to k over 4. We can plug in this k over 4 for this a over here. Then we get k over 4 positive. And for b, we know that k over 2. And for c, we know that just k. Everything has to be divided by 3. Okay, for this k, we can assume there is 1 in denominator. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to add these three fractions. To add the three fractions, I need the same denominator for all the three fractions. So here for the first fraction, the denominator is 4. Here the denominator is 2. Here the denominator is 1. So to get the common denominator, I have to find the least common multiple of 4, 2 and 1. So the least common multiple of 4, 2 and 1 is just 4. That is, we have to make each denominator as 4. So we don't have to do anything with the first denominator because it's already 4. Let me write this k over 4 as it is. Now to get the denominator 4 in the second fraction, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Because here the denominator is 2. When I multiply it by 2, it will become 4. So then we get 2 times k divided by 2 times 2. And in the third fraction, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. Then I'm getting 4 times k divided by 4 times 1. Everything has to be divided by 3. So let me continue the stuff over here. We get k over 4 positive 2k over 4 positive 4k over 4 has to be divided by 3. Okay, now we have the common denominator 4 for all the three fractions. We can take the denominator in common, that is 4. We can add the numerators, that is k positive 2k positive 4k. Everything has to be divided by 3. So now when I combine k, 1k, 2k, 4k, I am getting 7k over 4 divided by 3. Now we can consider this 3 as a fraction by taking denominator 1. So here we divide a fraction by another fraction. So whenever I divide a fraction by another fraction, the fraction in numerator should be taken as it is. This division should be changed as a multiplication. Then we have to get reciprocal for this for the fraction in denominator. When you take reciprocal for this 3 over 1, it will become 1 over 3. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to multiply the numerator. 7k times 1 is 7k. And now I have to multiply the denominators. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, but now I got the average of the three quantities a, b and c. But the question targets the average of a, b and c in terms of a. That is, we have to get this result in terms of a. So already we know that 4a equals to k. That is, we can plug in 4a for k. So now let me plug in the 4a for this k. So because I have to get the answer in terms of a. Now 4 goes into 4 1 times and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So here we have 7 and 1a can be written as just a, and in denominator we have 3. Now I got the average, I mean the arithmetic mean of the three quantities a, b and c in terms of a. So that is 7a over 3. We find this 7a over 3 in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.